Hi, we're here to talk about Wright's ShowerPowerBooster. I've got one on the hot and I put one on the cold. I'm using this as a manual pump off this one, so this flow switch is controlling both pumps. So when you run the shower, both pumps run at the same time and they are running even pressures. What I had to do in order for this to fit, because this was a 28mm pipe, I had to put a 22 in with a 28mm T-piece, and I put reducers in here, so I had to redivert the vent pipe out here because it was here and you couldn't get into there before. And of course the shower comes down this one here, so this is what I had to do, and I put the pump on the cold there. So now we're going to go see the difference. So, by a couple of seconds, the pump has now kicked in. It's not very light in here. I'll flick it to that one. And then back to this one. Now if you stay here, I'm going to go turn the pump off so you can see the difference. In fact, if we put the light on, aim up at that. Now I'm going to turn the pump off. An hour. Pumps are back on. And as you can see, a far better shower. Thank you very much for watching.